That's how you set yourself up for constant disappointment and failure. And you're gonna keep setting these ultra high, unrealistic expectations and disappointing yourself every single fucking time. I'm gonna share something with you that might honestly hurt your feelings, but you have to hear this, and it'll likely save you a lot of time and just wasted efforts. You're not that great. You're really not. Now, I'm not saying that to degrade you. I'm saying that because I know you're ambitious, bro. I know you're ambitious. I know you want the world. That's the only reason you clicked on this video right now. You didn't just click on this video because you're a dumbass. You obviously want something more for your life. And when you're in that mindset, I'm speaking from personal experience, you tend to try to take on challenges that are just, quite frankly, way out of your league. They're just way out of your league, brother. Let me tell you a story. So I've got a boy, his name's AB. It's funny, we actually have the same nickname. And he's a boxer, you know, proper fit guy, light-skinned dude, very charming, very kind of attractive, done a lot of self-improvement. So he likes to run, right? As a boxer, he likes to run 3 miles at the park that's back in my hometown. So one day I decided I wanted to get more into running as well. And he told me he runs. So I'm like, oh yeah, bro, let's go get a run it. You know, we meet up and everything. We get everything we need. We go to the park and we start running. Now, he's already built himself up to the point where he can run 3 miles in less than 20 minutes and he can do all these incredible things. But me being as arrogant as I was, me thinking I was great, I thought that I could just jump in with him and just immediately start doing 3 miles and I would just get accustomed to it and it's fine because I'm on self-improvement, I'm the main character. And I did. The first run, I did it. You know, I felt like I was gonna die, but we did all 3 miles and no stopping. But that was just the first time. The second time didn't go so well. The second time we made it about, halfway through, and my body just started to quit. I actually stopped during that run, around the 2 mile mark. We're supposed to run nonstop, and I stopped. And yeah, you know, it's like, oh, why is that a big deal? You know, you stop during your own whatever, you know, just catch your breath and keep running. It was a big deal because I made myself believe that I was this godlike figure who could just immediately take on things that are very fucking difficult. I don't know if you've ever ran in your life, if you've ever actually, you know, like put the Doritos down and gone outside your house and done like a little walk or a light jog or anything, you'll know that full on running for 3 miles is really fucking hard to do. Obviously there are guys who can do it, but as a beginner, you shouldn't be doing that. I just started being really fucking hard on myself. After I stopped at the 2 mile mark, even though we did run the rest of the way, I just started to really treat myself like trash because I didn't hit this mark that I thought I should have hit. Not for any conceivable logical reason. There was no logical reason in my brain as to why I should be able to consistently run 3 miles. I just thought I should do it because I'm me. If you just take a second and really analyze that, like that's really fucking stupid. I was arrogant enough to believe that this dude, who is my boy, who has literally worked day in and day out, running, starting somewhere and continuously putting in the work and to be able to hit 3 miles consistently and then some. I thought I was just supposed to walk my silly ass onto the park, the sand, and just be able to do everything he can do. That's like believing you can beat Mike Tyson in a fight because you're the chosen one. You're not fucking Satoru Gojo. You're not Batman. You're not Peter fucking Pan. Rome wasn't built in a day. So you cannot expect yourself to just come out of fucking nowhere, the woodworks trenches, and just think you're gonna start surpassing everybody at everything. No. That's how you set yourself up for constant disappointment and failure. And you're gonna keep setting these ultra high, unrealistic expectations and disappointing yourself every single fucking time until the point where you don't trust yourself to pick up a wooden fucking spoon. That's why I tell you you're not that great. Because you cannot psych yourself into believing you are until you put the work in to prove that. Start small. Believe you're capable of everything, but do not skip the steps that it takes to get there. If you want to become a world-class boxer, great. You can absolutely do it. But it's not going to happen day 1, 2, 3, fucking 4 or 500. It's not. And I wish I learned this lesson ages ago. I put myself in some really bad positions believing I was the shit when I really wasn't, when I still had things that I need to work on. And honestly, once you set the bar low and start to focus on just climbing the ranks, focusing on the leading indicators, focusing on the things that you can control to build up to where you want to be, that's when you're gonna be the person that you actually wanna be. That's when you're gonna be a fucking man. That's when you're gonna be able to actually self-improve because you focus on improvement and not perfection at that point. So with that being said, remember brother, you're not that great, but you can and you will be. Most of you are gonna take everything I said if you've made it this far in one ear and out the other, and that's perfectly fine. Somebody has to flip the burgers. That's literally one of my new favorite sayings, and it's not gonna fucking be me. I don't want it to be you either, bro. So get it the fuck together. Pay attention. Okay? Be the change you wish to inspire. You got this, bro. Seriously. You're gonna do great things.